I always would recommend King Homes to our family and friends. We've already recommended them to family and friends. It was just an easy build. It wasn't something that was too hard. They were nice, they were good to deal with, you know, the communication was always there, the updates were always there, and it wasn't anything like where you constantly had to chase them. You didn't have to chase them. Just, you know, kind of let them do their thing and then it was good. So we engaged King Homes when we wanted to knock down rebuild. The floor space ratio that was previously to the plans that we had was a lot smaller than the actual home that is in now. And we got that approved. So they actually gave us advice. They walked us through the whole process, advised us to just get it approved with this floor space ratio that it is currently on with the council. And during that period, the LEPs actually changed in council, which they told us about. So they said, look, your council has changed. Let's just make the home bigger because you can actually fit more on the land now. So we did that and we got a bigger floor space ratio and we got a bigger home. It was actually pretty good. It was amazing actually. You know, we were kept in the loop the whole way through the process. You know, every step of the way we were kept updated. You know, communication was really good. It was transparent. The concept of the home, any changes of the home, internal, external, we were advised of. Anything that, you know, could stand out or could be a problem later down the track, we were advised of. There was nothing that, you know, you could be like, okay, well, this is a shock, why didn't you tell me? There was none of that. It was all upfront. The cost was also stated up front, and there wasn't anything that would just jump out and you'd be like, okay, what's going on? But no, it was good. It was a walk in the park. Oh, I love it. I love the fact that I'm in a brand new home. Yeah, I don't think I'd be moving out anytime soon. It would take a lot for me to move out.